Hey everyone, is Adobe Photoshop not opening on your Windows 11 PC? Don't worry, I've got some quick and easy troubleshooting steps to help you fix this issue. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Adjust compatibility settings first. Head to your Start menu and search for Adobe Photoshop. Right-click on it and select Open File Location. In the folder that opens, right-click on Photoshop, choose Properties and go to the Compatibility tab. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as administrator. Click Apply and then OK. Close the window and try launching Photoshop again. Step 2. Update Firewall settings. If it's still not working, search for Windows Defender in the Start menu and open Windows Defender Firewall. On the left, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Press Change Settings at the top and check if Photoshop is listed. If it is, make sure both private and public are ticked. If it's not, click Allow another app. Browse to find Photoshop, usually in C program files. Open Adobe. Open Adobe Photoshop and select Photoshop.exe. Add it to the list and ensure both private and public are checked. Click OK to save. Step 3. Launch through Creative Cloud. Still having issues? Open the Creative Cloud desktop app. Go to the Apps section and try launching Photoshop directly from there. Sometimes this resolves launch problems tied to your Adobe account. Step 4. Update graphics drivers. If that doesn't work, open the Start menu. Search for Device Manager and launch it. Expand Display Adapters. Find your graphics card, right-click on it, and select Disable Device. Confirm by clicking Yes, then re-enable it by right-clicking and selecting Enable Device. This can fix conflicts between Photoshop and your graphics card. Step 5. Troubleshoot plugins. If Photoshop still won't open, navigate to C Program Files, Adobe Photoshop, and open the Plugins folder. Select all the files in the Plugins folder and move them to a backup folder on your desktop. When prompted, click Continue. Restart Photoshop to check if it works. If it does, move the plugins back one by one to identify the problematic one, and that's it. These steps should fix most issues with Adobe Photoshop not opening. If this guide helped, drop a like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.